Canoo enters a prepaid agreement to request up to $50 million in cash. Canoo recently signed a deal with Walmart to purchase up to 4,500 EV vehicles. These are delivery vehicles. So it said on Thursday that they entered into a prepaid advance agreement with YA Second, under which the company may request advance up to $50 million. YA Second PN Ltd is an affiliated Yorkville Advisory Global and was recently involved in a standby equity purchase agreement with the Icelandic biotech company Alvotech. Now we've got information directly from these companies and I'll read them for you as such. And I quote, "We're offering up to $50 million of our common stocks. Par value 0.0001 per share." That's in dollars. By this prospectus supplement and the accompanying prospectus directly to YA Second PN Ltd, a Cayman Island exempt limited partnership, an affiliate of Yorkville Advisory Global LP, in connection with prepaid advance agreement that we entered it with YA on July the 20th. This was said by Canoo. End quote. There's also some additional quotes from the company, and I'll continue to read as such. So in accordance with the terms of the PPA, Canoo Inc. may request advance of up to $50 million. Yes, that's great. Or such greater amount that the party may mutually agree, with a limitations outstanding prepaid advance of $50 million and an aggregate limitation on the prepaid advance of $300 million, and such prepaid advance will offset upon the issuance of common stocks to YA at a price per share equal to the lower of a 120% of daily volume weight average price of our common stocks on the Nasdaq Global Selected Market as of trading day immediately prior to the date of prepaid advance. So that's quite interesting. It obviously gets into more complicated, documented information, but we don't need to rattle ourselves on that. But last week, however, Lafferty Analytics, Jamie Perez, adjusted the firm's price target for Canoo stock to $17. I don't know why. It seems quite rushed in my opinion. Yes, there's a lot of good news coming out of Canoo, but still, the hype is high, so naturally people are going to go crazy. So they did this while reiterating a buy rating on the share. The analytics explained that the cut from $20 to $17 reflects the increase in share counts and estimated the company revenue to be around $700 million in 2023. That's next year, by the way. Now, additionally, what happened in last week? We all know U.S. Army to supply electric vehicles, all by Canoo, supporting the U.S. military focus on incorporate scalable and adaptable capabilities in operational and garrison environments. They also had previous announcement from NASA, not a huge deal from NASA, not a huge money deal, but it's really good for branding and for awareness of the Canoo company. The announcement followed the previous selected, so previously they entered into agreement with NASA for a Cree transportational vehicle to deliver astronauts to the Artemis launch site for lunar missions to establish the first long presence on the moon. That's a big deal. The first long presence on the moon. I don't know why we haven't settled on the moon yet, but I'm glad it's about to happen now. But nevertheless, thank you all for watching. Subscribe to see more. Leave a like, leave a comment, and of course I'll see you in the next video.